cloudy. I hope you can hear me over top of it. But as you can see, I am submerged in water. Why, you may ask? Because this is one of the most effective, simple, and quickest ways to relax both your brain and your nervous system. Let me say that again. This is one of the quickest, simplest, easiest ways to relax both your brain and nervous system. And guess what? It's not just beneficial for adults. It also works good on kids. Now, with the younger kids, you're going to have to watch the heating element, or you can always put them in a bathtub. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to work when it's time for them to go to bed, only because a lot of times we hype our kids up before time to go to bed, playing with them or whatever, and so they're overly stimulated. So it's hard for a little 5-minute, 10-minute bath to calm them down before bedtime. You can't do it then. I'm telling you, that does not work. It don't work. It doesn't work. Don't work, don't work, don't work. If you don't have a jacuzzi, get in the tub. If you don't have a tub, get in the swimming pool. If you don't have a swimming pool, stand in the shower. But let the water roll over you, rush over you. Sit down in it, soak in it. But get in water any way that you can, even if it's just for 5 minutes. It makes a huge calming difference to your brain and your nervous system. Why is that important? Because the brain cannot think or process properly when it is overstimulated, when it's afraid, when it's stuck in trauma, when it's overwhelmed, anxious, stressed, angry, any of those emotions. You have to find a way to calm it down, and a lot of times it's hard to do that when you're in the heat of the moment at the time. Especially when one of your kids have done something that just struck your last nerve right after one of your customers at work struck the last nerve. You thought all your nerves were gone, and here comes your child and got the very last one as soon as you walk in the door from work. This is when you do that. Instead of yelling and going off, because I'm sorry, for an ADHD child, neurodivergent child, they're not getting the lesson when you're yelling. All they're hearing is yelling, which instills fear. But it's not getting the lesson of why they shouldn't do what they did. And it's not always something that they're doing wrong. It's just something that could hurt them. We go off on them like they just burnt down the house, and that's not always the case. Try this. I guarantee you guys, it will work. Every day, take 5 minutes, somehow, some way, and get into water. Okay? Please let me know down in the comments if you tried this, if it worked, and what is your favorite way to submerge. Bye for now. Smooches.